What's up, everyone? Thank you for tuning in. Right now, I just went to the store and I wasn't gonna pick anything up, but I saw this pretty thing, Matchbox Sky Busters, and it's the NASA space shuttle. That was awesome. I bought it for my younger kid, Micah, and there it is. It's the space shuttle orbiter. That's the name of it. Pretty cool. So I'm gonna go give it to him and crack it open. Mira, Micah. Mira. Oh, spaceship. ¿Lo quieres? You like it? Shoo. Oh, look at that, Pa. Here you go. Then. Wow. Space shuttle. You gonna be an astronaut? Maybe? Do whatever you want. Wow. Love you. Love you. Bye-bye. You bye. Bye.